Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. To my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you and welcome to our family. Well, let's get started today. We are going to rock me talking about sea salts, okay? That we can add to our soap making process. Come on, let's go. Before we start, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to my video. Let's get into this video. I'm so happy to be back with you today for our Chill Out Friday. Chill Out Friday, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Rock me, baby, using natural rock salts in our soap making process, okay? Let's get into it. The benefits of rock salt. The benefits of rock salts. They reduce stress, excellent for cleaning the skin, helps to get rid of clogged pores, helps draws out toxins of your body, helps get rid of swelling, inflammation, get rid of dead skin cells, relaxes your muscles. The benefits of Himalayan pink sea salt. And that's what this is. Himalayan pink sea salt. Helps pulls out toxins out of your body. Naturally enriched in iodine, contains minerals, magnesium, calcium, helps fight acne, keep your skin smooth, rejuvenates your skin. Did you know that salt is made up of sodium and chlorine? Isn't that wonderful? Oh, let me start with the quote of the day. I don't want to forget it. The quote of the day is, give your future a past to remember. Give your future a past to remember. Java salt. Have you ever seen this before? Java. Java salt. Extremely beneficial in keeping your skin hydrated. It has minerals, sodium, potassium, helps relieve water. So it releases water from your body, eliminates bloat and water retention, prevents muscle cramps. It's an anti-inflammatory, okay? Java sea salt. It's brown. Isn't that beautiful? Java. Next up, we have black sea salt. Black sea salt cures bloating, helps with muscle cramps, excellent for skin care. It's enriched in iron, minerals, help with legs cramps, reduce water retention, anti-inflammatory properties, helps heal cracked heels, swollen feet, provides glowing skin tone, detoxifying. That's a black sea salt. Let's get a closer look at that. Black sea salt, guys. Isn't that something? Himalayan black sea salt. White sea salt. White sea salt enrich in negative ions, reduce stress, increase energy, anti-inflammatory, detoxifying. It has iron, minerals, gets rid of dead skin cells, improves sleeps, and relax your muscles. And also I have coarse. So you have fine, you have coarse white sea salt as well. Course. Thank you so much watching me. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope the information you find was informative. We're getting ready to make soap on our next video. So come on, get ready, join me. Have a great day and love you all. I see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great weekend. Love you guys. Himalayan pink sea salt, the best of the best. You can't beat it. That's right. Love you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Mwah. Glennceria, loving hands. Himalayan pink sea salt.